Self-practiced 5.2 question 2. Encik Moy starts to work in a company at a certain month. His first annual income is 36,000 and the increment for the following year is 1,000. Calculate number of years he needs to work for him to receive twice his annual income. Okay, so this one will be our A, because this is the first term. And then every year, his increment is 1,000 ringgit. So we can say D is positive 1,000. We need to find the number of years, okay, which is N, where his salary becomes twice his first annual income. So we need to find N when his salary is 36,000 times 2. Okay, so this is an arithmetic progression. So Tn is A plus N minus 1D. 36,000 times 2 is 72,000. Okay, then we sub in the values that we have. So we know A is 36,000. N is what we want to find. D is 1,000. So from here, 72,000 we can minus off with 36,000, which is 36,000. And then we bring the 1,000 over here, it becomes divide. So this one divide by 1,000, we get 36. So we can say N minus 1 is 36. Therefore, N is 37. N will be 36 plus 1. So after working 37 years, his salary will double. Okay. Let's look at B. The yearly increment, if his salary during the 6th year is 43,500. Okay, so here our first income, his first income is still the same, but we don't know the yearly increment. We don't know the D. But we know on the 6th year, his income is 43,500. So we can say T6 is 43,500. So T6 will be A plus N minus 1D, where N is 6. So 6 minus 1D. So A, we sub in the values. A is 36,000. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then we can find D. So 43,500 minus 36,000. Then we divide it by 5. So D is 1,500. So we can say his yearly increment is RM 1,500. If he gets this much of increment every year, by the 6th year, he's going to earn this much. That's it.